back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here, thank you so much for being a day one. And if you're watching from outside the club, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Mabonza. Guys, the construction dimborile this year, guys. Like dimborile, and because of that, I'm going to be doing a voiceover and playing music because the sound is gonna drag the whole video, and we do not want any of that. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I installed this beautiful hair, guys. It's a 4x4 closure. Like, guys, you literally wear it as a hoodie. We know the drill, guys. So please continue watching, and I'm gonna give you the hair details as the video goes along. But I just wanted to show you guys. I'm gonna show it to you in the video, but I just wanted to say, mwah, guys. Guys, I feel like by now you know me. When it comes to boxed hair packages, I'm just sold. Like, I'm done. Like, inside Pagati, guys. So yeah, guys, I want you to watch this video and see if you want this hair for yourself. And if you do, everything will be listed in the description box down below. I'm going to leave you guys here. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy, guys. Bye. Hi, guys. Can I get a little commotion for the packaging, please? Guys, on screen right now, what you're seeing is all the things that they gifted me with. Unfortunately, I didn't use all these things. I only used one wig cap. The other things I'll use with my other wigs, because this wig was just so easy to install. I really didn't need all these other things, but I'm very, very grateful that I got gifted with them. They also gave me this wig bag. The hair wasn't in the bag when it arrived. It was in the box, but they were generous enough to give me that bag. This is the wig, guys. This is how it was when I removed it from the bag. This is the details inside, from the adjustable strap to the combs. It has 3 combs, and it's a 5x5 lace frontal wig. It's got 200% density, guys. When we talk about density, we're talking about the volume of the hair, and the length is 20 inches. It's a body wave wig. So going forward, you guys are just going to watch me install the hair, and I hope you guys will enjoy. Please don't forget, guys, one more time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Enjoy.
See if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for someone to be together, be together? Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you. Oh yeah, butterflies every time I'm with you. Oh yeah. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love?
Guys, we're getting closer to the end of the video, and I just wanted to let you guys know that the quality of this hair is insane. You guys, it's 200% density, but it doesn't even feel heavy. I'm recording the voiceover later on in the day after wearing the hair, and I really had a good time with this hair, and I know if you buy it, you're also going to enjoy it. Thank you so much to Celie Hair for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye.